How to add college name in Facebook profile. Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I am going to show you step by step how to add college name in Facebook profile. First of all, you have to open Facebook and tap on your profile icon. Now here you have to click on top right 3 dots. Here you can see you have to click on this 3 dots. After that you have to click on edit button at the top. After clicking on it, you have to scroll down to the bottom and click here to edit your about information. Now click on edit your about info. Now here you will see the option of education. Below this you have to add the name of your college by clicking on your add college name. You can also add the name of your school here. After that you have to add the name of your college or school here. After typing the name, click on the save icon at the bottom. Here you can see, in this way you can add the name of your college or school in your Facebook profile. Thanks for watching this video.